Do you ever find yourself in a bind, needing a little extra cash before payday, and wonder if your trusty app, Klover, can bail you out more than once? Thinking face, it's a common question, and one we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, life throws curveballs, and sometimes one advance just isn't enough. We've all been there. An unexpected car repair, a sudden bill, or maybe just needing to bridge the gap until your next paycheck hits. Financial apps like Klover have become a lifeline for many, offering small advances to help us navigate those tricky periods. They're designed to be a convenient and often fee-free alternative to overdrafts or predatory payday loans. But understanding their intricacies, especially around how many advances you can get, is key to using them effectively without adding more stress to your plate. The core idea behind Klover and similar apps is to provide access to a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. They look at your income, spending habits, and banking history to determine eligibility and the amount you can borrow. It's a fantastic concept that empowers users with a bit more financial flexibility. However, it's crucial to remember that these aren't traditional loans. They're more like an advance on money you've already earned, designed to be repaid when your next paycheck arrives. So, can you get more than one advance from Klover? The straightforward answer is yes. You can often get more than one advance from Klover, but not at the same time. Klover's system is designed to be a short-term solution, and their policy typically dictates that you must repay your current advance in full before you can request another. Think of it like this. You borrow from your future paycheck, and until that borrowed amount is returned, Klover can't advance you more. It's a responsible lending practice that prevents users from getting into a cycle of debt. Now, while you can get multiple advances over time, there are a few factors that influence your eligibility and the amount you can receive. Klover continuously assesses your financial health. This includes your income consistency, how often you receive direct deposits, and your repayment history with them. If you consistently repay your advances on time, you're more likely to be eligible for future advances and potentially even higher amounts. Conversely, if you have trouble repaying, it could impact your ability to get subsequent advances. Another important aspect to consider is Klover's underwriting process. They use data from your linked bank account to understand your financial patterns. This means they're looking at your typical income, your recurring bills, and your overall spending habits. If your financial situation changes significantly, for example, a reduction in income or an increase in large expenditures, it might affect the amount Klover is willing to advance or your eligibility for future advances. It's also worth noting that Klover offers a feature called Klover Plus. This premium service can sometimes unlock higher advance amounts and other benefits. While it doesn't bypass the one advance at a time rule, it might make you eligible for larger sums when you are able to request an advance. If you find yourself frequently relying on advances, exploring Klover Plus might be a worthwhile option to see if it aligns with your financial needs. Ultimately, Klover is a valuable tool for managing short-term financial gaps. While you can't stack multiple advances simultaneously, their system allows for continuous access to advances as long as you maintain a good repayment history and meet their eligibility criteria. It's about using the tool responsibly to bridge those temporary financial shortfalls, rather than viewing it as a continuous line of credit. Understanding these nuances will help you make the most of what Klover offers and keep your finances on track. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.